Like the bachelor degree. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Library if you're new, and if you're a returning family member, hey love, glad to have you back. I know it's been a while and it's been a lot of life updates to catch you guys up on. However, it is 9:22 in the morning and this is my first day of my bachelor. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. So I'm excited to take you guys along this journey with me. So now I am on my way heading to school. So I'm actually stopping to get me some breakfast. I haven't really ate just yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop and get me some. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna get me a sausage biscuit or hash brown, something of that sort, with my caramel iced coffee. Are coming along with me. If you have not already, please be sure to comment and subscribe. Come on, I will get nitty gritty in regarding to all those details of what I'm going to school for, why I decided to choose this career path, and enough chatting. I'm staying a little bit. Hey y'all, so I'm just not too long ago just getting out of class. So class was from 10:10 to 11 o'clock. It's now 12:06. I was trying to get something to eat from Chick-fil-A, but it was super packed in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat elsewhere. I'm actually right now about to go and get my parking pass, so I don't have to be parking in a different location versus where my classes are at. Plus, that walk, baby, it's a no for me. That walk is a huge no for me. It's 86 degrees outside today, and when I say I'm sweating, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my parking pass. But class was pretty good. So the classes that I have is microbiology, lecture and lab is on Fridays, and then I have social statistics and critical thinking. So critical thinking nurse is online, and then the other rest of my classes are on campus. So y'all will be getting a full weekly vlog documenting my overall journey becoming a nurse. I'm appalled at how this whole journey has came about. First degree is business administration management, and now this one is nursing. And I'm thankful, I'm excited for what's to come and being a part of this journey. But I'm about to go ahead and get this parking pass so I can go ahead and get me something to eat because I'm starving. And then I was trying to go to the computer lab so I can go ahead and start putting out my syllabus. The computer lab computers are not working for some odd reason. So I'm like, you know what? I think this is my cue just to get something to eat, head home. We headed home to do some self-care. So I'm excited. Oh my God, girl. It feels so good to be back on campus. I obtained my first degree here, as mentioned, here at the university. I won't necessarily say university name because I am currently a student here. But I'm just thankful to be here again and to be able to obtain my second degree. I told myself that I wanted to, if I ever get back into school, I wanted to vlog the overall experience. So being able to vlog it now as me being an older, mature woman, it's really something that I'm excited to look back on. But so let me go ahead and get this parking pass. It's hot as heck out here. It's so hot. So this is a continuation from last month vlog. So I did a whole weekly vlog that first week of August when I first started classes, and I scrapped the whole video. I didn't like it, so we're starting fresh. It is Monday. It is September the 8th. So I've been in school roughly around 2 to 3 weeks now, and so far so good. And then I will be doing a life update as well. So real quick life update. The reason why I've been missing is because I wasn't in the right headspace to get back into creating content. Creating content was definitely the least on my mind. I was more so focusing on me internally, mentally wise, physically wise, and etc. Allowing myself to gradually get back into content creation. I have fallen off my Instagram. 1 minute I will be consistent on there, and then the next minute I'll just fall right off because my mind just wasn't mentally there. So now that I am full force back into content creation, I'm back and I'm super excited, and especially during this time in my life. And I am taking you guys along the journey. If you have not already, please be sure to comment and subscribe and come on this journey with me, boo, because we are on a journey. This is definitely a ride and I'm super excited. I'm looking around because I'm trying to see someone to move out of parking spot so I can park there, because right now I'm parked where I don't need to be parked at. But I wanted a closer part because my class is right diagonal from where I'm at right now. So I'm just looking around, just being vigilant of where I can park at. But anywho, so let's see. So far, microbiology, I have A in microbiology. I have an exam coming up next week, September the 15th, and we have been covering chapter 1, dealing with the microbiology, the bacteria consists of, and that sort of thing. And then went over chapter 3, which that's dealing with the microscope and learning the different dyes and etc. So I believe today lecture we're going to be discussing chapter 4. So I need to go ahead and start creating my flashcards. I already did it for chapter 1, but I need to do it for chapter 2 and 4 so that I can study more like a visual learner. So by me doing the flashcards, it will allow me to better retain the information and being able to make sure that I am applying the knowledge into the overall exam. This morning I ate my breakfast. I had I had 3 boiled eggs and oatmeals. After class today, I am going to the gym. So y'all will be coming along with me with that. And that's pretty much about it for right now. So it's 9:55. My class doesn't start until 10:10. So I'm on time. I'm really happy about that. I was able to just really have a slow morning this morning, and I'm pretty thankful for that. So I hope each one of you guys are having a happy Monday. Y'all will not be seeing this until Sunday. However, y'all will be coming along with me during this whole week. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep my eye out on a parking space. I'm heading to class. I can't record in class because I am front row and I do want to pay attention, and with you guys in a little bit. Yeah, so I just made it to the gym. It's 12:13. I wanted to bring you guys in with me, but I think it's best for me to leave you guys in the car. I will bring you guys with me when I actually get a phone mount for my phone where I can just stick it to the actual machine and y'all can actually watch me do my workout. But for right now, I want to let y'all know how my workout went. When I get back in the car, it's 12:14. Try to aim for an hour. And then we're gonna head home, get something to eat. Alright, so I am changed into my gym fit. What I have with me, I've packed my gym outfit. So I have my sneakers, I have my beat, and then I bought these gloves that will help me have a better grip on the weights instead of me scabbing the inside of my hand. So I just got this yesterday. I got it from Amazon. This is how they look. This is in a size small. I believe it's a one size fit off, I believe. But I'll go ahead and link this down below so y'all guys can purchase this if you would like. And then I'm gonna put my sneakers on. I'll hurry up. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Let's go ahead and get this workout in. And I do have my water bottle. I got this from Walmart. I got it from Walmart for $9 to $15, within that range. So I have my water in here. Let's go ahead and get this workout in. I just got done working out. It is 1:48 and I'm about to turn the AC on because I'm hot. Alright, so the workout that I did was this workout. It was leg day today. Now I'm about to drink my protein shake. I got this from Platinum Fitness and this is the 40. And I had never tried this flavor before, chocolate peanut butter. So we're about to see how it tastes. Let's see. That was a good workout. And I lift heavy. Every week I challenge myself to lift heavy. And I lift. Glad I got this. And my makeup is still intact. I'm shocked. I was sweating, yes, but I wasn't expecting my makeup to stay intact. And I'm glad because I'm going to go home and freshen up. I don't have to do too much to my makeup for work tonight. All I have to do is just focus on just putting on my work clothes and go out the door. And of course packing my lunch. Oh, you're struggling to open this. Let's see how this tastes. This is good. This is chocolate. You can taste the chocolate and the peanut butter. So I like both. So I figured it wasn't going to taste bad because I like both flavors, especially chocolate. So anytime that you work out, you want to make sure that you're getting your protein in after your workout within 30, I believe it's 30 to 60 minutes, I believe. So that you can, when you incorporate the protein, and take your protein as soon as you can. And I'm glad they had this in there because by the time I get home, I would have already reached 30-minute max. So now all I gotta do is go home, take a shower, and just eat my lunch. So that worked out perfectly for me. So I'm about to head home. And for lunch we're having fish, 1 cup of jasmine rice, and 1 cup of spinach. And then for dinner we're having salmon. Oh, I'm gonna cut the roasted yams, so I'm gonna go ahead and go home and do that in asparagus. I think I'm gonna do something else opposed to asparagus, because I've eaten asparagus all pretty much for the past few days. I'm trying to asparagus. I want a different veggie, so I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, when I tell y'all that hip abduction burn out 60 seconds non-stop, that is one of the most challenging, intensified workout I have ever done. I did it, but that burns your glutes and your legs. Girl, if you ain't never tried, give it a try. When I say it tests your mental, your strength, your just pushing yourself overall, baby. When I say I was hurting when I got off the machine, but I'm glad workout was a great workout. Now I'm about to head home, freshen up for work, try to get a nap in before work, and I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It's 9:09 in the morning. So yesterday, y'all saw me meal prep yesterday. Show a little bit of clip because I was trying to finish at a certain time. Meal prep took me about 2 hours. We are on our way to class. I have microbiology and lab today. Today's Friday is one of my longest days. So we're gonna go ahead and get up on this road, but I just want to start off the vlog and I'm gonna catch y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm just now getting out of class. It is 12:16. When I say earlier today, I said today gonna be a good day. Today is going to be a good day. Maybe it's a good day because typically I had lab and lab is from 10:10 to 1:15. Tell me what we got out of class early today. Yes, we got out of class early today. So I'm super thankful. I'm so thankful. Get us out of there. But lab was pretty good. We did an experiment with the bacteria in the dye and look at it under the microscope, which was pretty cool. I should have took a picture, but I'll take a picture on next lab and show you guys. I can't record in lab, unfortunately. I wish I could because I really enjoy it and I feel like y'all would love to see the behind the scenes of that too, but I can't record in here. But I can definitely show y'all the pictures. So that's something that's the least I can do. But right now, I'm about to head home. I'll finish my lab report that I was doing early this morning prior to going to class. So that's done, submitted. I don't have to worry about it. The only thing now that I have to do for this weekend, honestly, is just study for my exam. Oh, y'all, she pushed the exam back. Instead of next week Monday, we got Wednesday. Oh my God, we got till Wednesday. Thank you, Jesus, because I need more time to study. And probably a fellow classmate of mine, she was pretty much asking me the best way to pretty much study for the exam and having a better understanding of between what we do for our homework assignment versus the class activity questions. And I was pretty much advising her, oh, y'all can hear me. I was pretty much advising her, just look at the key terms, study the key terms, familiarize yourself with the key terms and understanding when it comes to chapter 4, which speaks about what we did today of the bacteria with the dye and what color it would change to, etc. What would happen if you put a green with a blue, what will the color change to? Or that's familiarization. It's just all about familiarizing yourself with key terms, and that's what I'm gonna do. When I study, I tend to focus on the basics, meaning the key terms, the main subjective of that topic, understanding the cell walls, the difference between prokaryotic and prokaryotic, and then the cell walls and the bacteria and all of this, the in-depth definition, rooted word, that would help tremendously when it comes to the exam. So I'm pretty confident about passing the exam next week Wednesday. It's just all about me studying today up till Wednesday. But other than that, great day so far. I hope y'all guys are having a great day so far. I hope y'all guys are enjoying the weekly vlog so far. So I'm about to head home. I'm heading home now, and I don't do no workout today. Thankfully, today is a rest day. That's really it for today. I gotta work tonight, and that's pretty much it for today, y'all. But today was a good day. So far, so good. I'm gonna have a great night tonight at work. Alright, so I have fixed my lighting because I noticed when I went back to edit certain portion of the vlog, my lighting was looking too bright and yellow. So hopefully this portion is pretty okay. I am thinking about getting me a new camera so that my overall quality will look a whole lot clearer and better. About to vibe out to some music, so come on and sing with me. Right now we are listening to In My Mind, running to the outlets, take me out. I really need time now. I need it free mind now.
You know that you can always say what's on your mind. I warm up your plate when you were do the little things. Just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know that's how you make me proud. That's a sign of enough. Breakfast on the table, no you like.
She said take your time, what's the rush?
Baby, I'm a dog, I'm on my first day. Tell me my phone, so you can bring my heart if you want to. Sensational, for you, girl, love like a riddle. Give me the quiz for the riddle. Life is a little, life's pretty sweet. Every bitch you tell me love her to the morning, love her to the nighttime. Now I don't get nobody. Now she want me busca, so me busca. But I don't want my only thing that's give up on you, but damn I know I can't.
Yes, I can.
I've been such a champion. Oh,